Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the displays of the Samsung Galaxy F62 and the Samsung Galaxy M51 versus the Poco F3 and the Redmi K40 device. The Poco F3 and the Redmi K40, they do have the same kind of naming and all the branding. So that's why I thought of saying the both names, so Poco F3 and the Redmi K40. So right now I'm using the Samsung Galaxy M51, so which is has the same kind of display as the Samsung Galaxy F62. So F62 and the M51 will be having the same display panels, so this will be the perfect comparison between the both the phones, testing a Samsung display versus the normal Redmi and the Poco display. So let's see friends, which display has the better advantage on the paper. So first let me try to compare on the hardware section. So every time I do the display comparison, the first thing I'll be doing is that comparing the hardware properties. So after the hardware comparison, then I'll be moving to the software optimization, which phone has better optimization. So that is how I'll be doing all the display comparison reviews friends. So let's see first on the paper which phone is the best. As you can see, the Poco F3 and the Samsung Galaxy F62, on the paper the Super AMOLED place on the Samsung and the Super AMOLED on the Poco F3. So you can see the plus has slightly advantage because you do get little bit kind of advantage, but stay there friends, because there's a lot of other things which I did like in the Poco F3. I'll try to talk about those things later. So next is 120Hz refresh rate, 60Hz. There is no high refresh rate in Samsung Galaxy F62 and M51. So 1300 nits brightness, 420 nits brightness. So that's a peak brightness we are talking about, and HDR10 Plus certified in this Poco F3. Poco F3 is certified with the HDR10 Plus certified. That's a very good advantage. Same resolution, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, Gorilla Glass 3 protection in the Samsung Galaxy, I think F62. I'm not sure, but I think it's a Gorilla Glass 3. So overall, this is a perfect difference friends between both the phones. On the hardware section, which phone is a winner? So if you ask me, I would definitely prefer this Poco F3 because of having the higher brightness, higher refresh rate and HDR10 Plus certified. So this Samsung phone has got only Super AMOLED Plus advantage. That's a normal plus advantage is there, but let's see friends whether that plus will give the plus points for this Samsung Galaxy F62 or not. So next let's move to the software optimization. So this is how my reviews will be going on. So next go to the display. Under the display you'll find the color scheme. So here you do have so much of customization options where you can select. Not only that, even you do have the HDR enhancement option as well, where you can increase the colors a bit more saturated, and there's a lot of customization which is available here. But on the Samsung phone you do have only one option, which is a vivid, natural and balance and all those things. In advanced settings, these are the options. So in terms of the customization option, I did like the Redmi and the Poco F3 phone than the Samsung display. So we finished the hardware section, we completed the software section. Let's move to the directly into the video comparison between both the phones. So right now you can see friends, I'm playing the same video in both the phones. So you might be getting confused between both the phones, which phone is what. One thing is that you can see the small punch hole on the Poco F3 and the big punch hole on the Samsung Galaxy F62, and both are using a high brightness to the maximum brightness level. And you can see the difference, and make sure to comment below friends which display you felt the best as well. Even I want to listen a lot of comments which display you feel the better, but overall it looks completely fine for me when you compare both phones. But as I said, the brightness also matters. You can see slightly better brightness in terms of the greenery if you compare with this green color. As you can see, even the mountains looks kind of more brighter than this Samsung display. So that is a one way of looking at. And next way, you can see even in this dark environment, you can see a little bit kind of light is going on because of the brightness of the screen. And there is other options which you can select from. These are the normal virginal colors. You can select the vibrant HDR colors, all the black and white. So many filters is there in this Poco F3. So this is what friends, you do have so much of customization and a lot of control over the image quality and everything in this Poco F3. You don't get that kind of control in the Samsung F62 device. But overall what I like is that I did like the big display in this phone, and without even any customization option, the Samsung display looks like very good tough competition with this phone. So definitely friends, I think I did feel the Samsung display slightly better. Even if you don't use any filters or any options, still the Samsung looks kind of better, and after using those filters you might see a little bit kind of difference in terms of the colors. You will start liking this Poco F3 as well. But if you are a fan of using the Samsung displays, then definitely you will be preferring the Samsung display only anyway. So these are the few comparisons, friends, and make sure to comment below which display you felt the best as well. And thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to follow me regularly, SciTech Guru, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.